A story of hope and heroism.
Local firefighters are building an unbreakable bond with a young boy. Reporter Analise Ortiz has this story, which you will see only on 13 Action News.
Let's look at the vet.
If 3-year-old Dion Jean-Marie looks like he's the man in charge around here,
been a while since you've been in the fire truck, huh?
it's because he has the prestigious title of honorary firefighter with Las Vegas Fire and Rescue Station 7.
Hey, who can bump the horn?
And when he's not visiting his boys at the station, they're visiting him.
Hey, buddy.
In his hospital room, where he's been fighting a battle no child should have to endure.
Dion was diagnosed on December 13th, 2016.
Diagnosed with leukemia, a cancer that's tough.
Just not knowing and being able to tell them why he's sick.
But Dion is determined to be tougher.
You see you got some muscles, you're getting strong. You're getting strong, let me see. Let me see your oh man. Wow.
With role models like this, he's learning how to be courageous.
Light them up, boys.
And teaching others what it takes to be Dion strong.
Nobody's braver than you are. You know that?
Dion was in remission. His mom tells me he appeared to be getting better, and then things started to spiral downward. He's now gearing up for a crucial procedure. Tonight on 13 Action News at 6, hear how Dion's boys, the firefighters, are planning something special to keep him strong. Analise Ortiz, 13 Action News.